Welcome everyone. I want to go over some important information about ginger. Now, I love ginger. Ginger has amazing medicinal effects for our body. But there are certain conditions where you have to be aware that this can cause more complications. Now, we know ginger can do great things for us, from motion sickness to digestive problems. It works as a great anti-inflammatory and has dozens of more beneficial effects it can do for our body. Although these particular things I'm going to review with you are going to help you, I highly recommend that if you are one of these people who fit any of these conditions, please speak to your doctor first. Now, millions of people are on blood pressure medications, and many mix and match. Some are calcium channel blockers, some are beta blockers, and there are many others. So monitor your blood pressure because ginger will lower it, which is good, but you don't want it too low. You want to make sure it's in the right range. So, check with your doctor, and hopefully you can reduce some of your medications. Females, if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, high doses of ginger can cause potential complications. So please speak to your OB/GYN or gynecologist. Ginger is a very powerful herb and has antiplatelet blood thinning properties. So, if you are taking blood thinning medication, or if you are due to have a surgical procedure done, this needs to be brought up to your doctor. Ginger is also known to lower blood sugar, so if you are a diabetic or have high blood sugar and you're taking medication along with excessive amounts of ginger, that can really throw your sugar level off. That can make you hypoglycemic, where your blood sugar is too low, so make sure you monitor your blood sugar as well as speaking with your doctor. Regarding your heart, if you are having arrhythmias or an irregular heartbeat, taking excessive ginger can sometimes make that condition worse. And that may be an answer to why this is getting worse. So, speak with your cardiologist. Now, I love ginger for digestive issues, but for some people it just doesn't agree with them. It can give you excessive gas. So, if you're having a lot of ginger in your diet and you're wondering why you're getting all this gas, just like garlic, then you want to start cutting back. For those people who have chronic heartburn or acid reflux, ginger may not like you. So I recommend using capsules of ginger, and that may be your answer. So, if you're taking ginger and doing it on an empty stomach, that many times can upset your stomach. Ginger will stimulate the secretion of bile, which benefits digestion. Although when your stomach is empty, this can lead to enough gastric stimulation, leading to digestive distress and upsetting your stomach. So try taking ginger with food, and your condition just may go away. Now, ginger has amazing healing medicinal properties, and I recommend that if you have any of these conditions or symptoms, first speak to your doctor. But you might want to cut back on the ginger or slowly start adding it to your diet, and you hopefully will see great results.